Mema munyina akwaba ediba me channels bi edikan. Me da munyina se mo ama subscribe ene won so a ebi ene da edikan a wo hwe me da wase so abepie ha. Na afi so me ma wakwa wa ba tina sana meka. Na mo amukra channel mu a mo hwe se mo be share na be ko animu. Nyame nhira obi a me da wase pa. Mo so am we email me for inquiry share some me da wase. Nyame nhira. I really do appreciate it. And then Atadwe milk pudding and cassava midi bremo. When did the baby friend of yours say gold dust? Yen day yendi. Inti yenya dia na chesa kwa say luxury kakra. Enya dia ujini dada. Inti unya dia. Na de twa no so na chesa de koyi. Ti mame no nko ne wa hem. Eye tiawa. Ni ame wa ha. Eye 1 tablespoon of sugar. So wa. Wo de ajiwa konwa na abehu baby eko. And we say Atadwe milk no. And we are 550 milliliters. And we say rice flour. Rice flour no 25 grams. Wa susuno. But a tablespoon we 1.5 and a midi. And tinaji wakunya na be huseni ebeko. And away me strawberries a CB or honor. And away a banana. So and away say double cream and I say heavy cream. And away so me dishes are me de babegum tea. Dish be our one. Say where mu be now wa bet me de gum na ya kon. Say ye we be so a bia bibia wo bia ya kon bia. Na just so I na di gum. Na Atadwe recipe we dey. We dey say dey any fie na me kire o. One Atadwe milk. Say uwo Ghana na nka wo ya say ne omo ye ni ni. Ufa emo raw rice na waso a day before. Na just our Atadwe so udi egunti o. Na wanyam emo no ani Atadwe ni nyina afra. Na o ma beson ne so. Ansana udi Atadwe milk. Enso eja rice flour. Who are going to easy access. Who call local supermarket be available. Once when him say baby a one rice flour, when they just comment. Who don't match us and your baby will be easy and yet so and they say I didn't buy any so far milk so I'm not the good rice flour and so. Now what can say baby can't frack come my be smooth and sun out here. Open so I would be good straight, but me when say way easy mommy. So we said be no I can't. And they say I want sunny eye. Rice flour na is smooth. Na fe. What can no or milk in him? To me fancy you be and frat. So and they said the man nanny said me so jay so na fe one say be a best second up amount. Na amount to say you got consistency. So say pet rice flour ni wo ma betumi aka ne saa eno so be thick thick na ne thickness is said the wire was a cocoa so saa na no be but rice flour no man yet say yogurt type na mu ye du kakra bi nti ma ne nye du bebre na sugar ni nso na si ha no nti ji wa konwan halfway through no mekire o sane obeye why ti ye tua so we de betwe ya no. Into one sunny aye, so aye thick kakra bi enye bebre and I must saw a sichire yase until me dear siso na afe wallow we no brew say beya a money gumun bed mu baby amanti so one sunny atie I to say enye too thick as why a cocoa mu edu kakra so na afe wasichire no amoni akọ on pese beshe kitu ebi na mihia so ye half a teaspoon and I ira o pan ti o ya na kakra bi hwese enhye ant medumo no ko plate na do so ansani aye ti ye say na afi wa hwie guso so na wanu sani I don't know. Until the smell is like toffee flavor. So very nice. Timerie, with the way to an affirmation near cheers. And they say, oh, Mamma want to kakra, bet me a very hot. And I said, lukewarm, Mamma want to kakra. Now what she would this be our open? So. And you put the share Atadwe milk, one was any eye. I'm a venture. And you're too thick, but one said to say you got swam. Now, wow, pen milk. Swam, nanny, where she goes. And see, why an abbot say any dear, vegan for no. Timothy, and need a bushing for. Where any dear, more family can go, and I say vegan. Yeah, I answer your person, try and no, and I open milk. Now, that comedian, I'm see, I mean, try baby for flour. I tell you, I saw try no more. In the hand, double cream, a heavy cream, never cook. Well, my whipping up, no pipe. You shall send me a corner. Well, do we have the seven? Sure. Come on. Now, before I have pipe or heavy cream and a double cream and a squirty cream, I say a lukewarm, so I will not accept it. After one way, I tie down flour. No, I will not sprinkle kakra. A google so a very nice and coconut. I sprinkle kakra. So, why your milk? And when you have flour, now the bowl pudding. Now, if the fruit to be, I will be now where you use maybe a banana and some strawberries. Said Granny, oh, yeah, now I'm a naya corner. Well, the Kosu Bushia for any man now guess to be pa Ghana pudding pow with a class. Simple. And if I send you pudding, what's the outcome? Where the Ghana pudding power with a class, a competition be out, what couple really was yamo into Bomadi and try. Into you will be so I had the milk with Tom with Kroma. I just say, original someone to be a wash on the saloon, who's a real neighbor, or bet me a hat, or bet me their biscuit crumbles. You bet me the idea and as well, and we in our recipe. To them dig down and say, Obina can't ask them say. Mistakes are proof of you doing something. So, I told you, I mean, emails with reports, minimum, oh, my simple. Dear Tiani said, if you cry, one back on, and you, but it's all pretty recipes. Recipes do a while, or try back on you, Nafa, a do have back Nafa, a do more than 5 times. And Sana, when you're accurate measurement. So, it will be a way, be a number one, and should I say, who ye be? So into Kosoa na near Dawa Comason. 2 1 and saying I'm so the account. And do subscribe to this channel. I'm a mabo put me on one of my FSO say about money and subscribe. Channel will then come be good like me say never regret subscribing to this channel. I love you all.